Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make finger puppet. We find this in Kenya. I'm going to Kenya. So that's why we are making an animal that's going to be in Kenya. For that animal we would need yellow sheets, a black and brown sketch pen, one glue stick and one pair of scissors. Let's begin. So we have to leave a little space as we have to put the head of that animal, obviously. So we made our patches. Could you guess the animal? It's so easy now. You're correct, it's a giraffe. But one thing is missing. Oh yeah, the head of the giraffe. So now let's make the head with a black color. Hello.